Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you love cooking a variety of things but don't want a small apartment to stop you, this gas-safe cast iron reversible griddle is a game changer, and it is not going to slip while you're making whatever you're making, whether it's burgers, you're flipping, you're sliding, you're turning. It is 20 by 10, which means it has so much room to get a lot done to make delicious food. This is also great if you want to have people over. You're able to grill up everything you need for your guests so that it's nice and toasty and you can all enjoy another delicious meal. You just have to make sure you grease it before cooking, whether with oil or butter. It heats so evenly. You see how every inch is melting the butter. Because it's double-sided, you can grill and use it as a griddle. This is so perfect for pancakes in the morning. You can either make big pancakes or multiple little pancakes, and it just does such a good job. And because it's so big, again, you have room to put sausages, eggs, pancakes, anything you want to make a good quality, hearty breakfast that's going to help you keep going throughout the day. Then you just clean it, just a little bit of soap and water. Make sure it is thoroughly dry and you grease it up before you put it back on the stove. Because we use it so much, we actually keep it on our burners and it looks great in our kitchen. And that's my point of view.